Okay, to get started, I just added a few photos to my 1080p timeline that don't fit in the frame. Now, the classic way of doing this would be to right-click on your clip and go to Scale to Frame Size or Set to Frame Size. But unless your aspect ratio is perfect, it's still going to leave black bars, so I'd have to play around with scaling and position, which is a huge pain when you're working with a ton of photos. So let's undo this so I can show you a new way to resize. Alright, first let's go over to the Effects panel and type Auto Reframe into the search box. Then drag that Auto Reframe effect onto your clip you'd like to resize. And there we go, it resized our clip automatically so we don't have to do any extra work. Now, if you want to resize multiple images at once, just drag to select the images on the timeline you'd like to resize, and drag that auto resize effect onto any of the selected clips to add it to all of them. Okay, this did the job very well, so that's all from me. As always, thanks for watching and see you in the next one.